what?
I don't think we did it right. Clearly, I don't even know preschool technical. Technical.
No, I think it's right. That's definitely how you do it.
No, it's not. His name will be
Fred.
No. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that was weird. Okay, what else? No, not Ryan. I can't believe we just did that. That was weird. Fred. His name will be Jonah.
Jonah.
The second. Rest in peace, number 1.
Red hair bitch.
Oh. Turkeys for life.
Oh. How do you get that now?
What? Let's start the draw next, my dear. Debating. Okay, I'm gonna draw. Draw. Goose. No, I'm gonna draw Dawn.
Don't forget the red hair.
His big old eyes. He's always so fucking weird looking. He's always fucked up, so one eye's always bigger than the other. Oh shit. This one I guess is a disease because he has no circle. I guess that makes sense.
What about his eyebrows?
Hold on. He has like a little rabbit nose. It's curvy, dude. That looks like an anime character. How do you draw a rabbit nose?
It's like this. Like the triangle.
Like that?
It's like, yeah, that's perfect. Look, it looks like a little rabbit. Oh my god, I really look. What the fuck is that?
It's canine teeth. It's what? Canine teeth.
Or his face.
His thing. Wait, they need to come down. Come down, the orange. And then he has freckles everywhere.
Oh my god,
I don't know how to draw that.
it's like a werewolf bunny.
Yeah, this doesn't really work.
What? Does he really have a beard?
I don't know what he has, to be honest with you. Oh, I know how it goes. Hold on. I fucked it up. I know how it goes. I couldn't think of it for a second. But it gets fatter than skinnier. Okay, so it gets skinny.
Doesn't it get fatter up at the top?
And it gets fatter at the bottom.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I don't freaking know.
I just spit all over me. Actually, I don't know how to draw a beard. Like, can you show me a picture of him somehow?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you pictures. Gosh. Fuck. Look at your phone.
Oh, yeah. If I have pictures. Actually, I lost my phone.
If you have a picture?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you have a picture?
Where's my phone?
Purse.
Oh, I have to call it.
the same pose.
Yeah, I guess this is as good as it gets.
Oh,
He needs to have a longer chin because he has
does he really have a beard? Let me see the picture.
It's not a beard. It's like a weird thing. Hold on, I'll show you.
You're reaching the teeth.
No, I guess we'll see. He has a really long face. And then it goes like...
Oh, it does do that. I didn't even know he had that on him. I wish we had a printout. No, like, I'm picturing it.
It does look like him though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. This was a nose.
All I have to do his hair, but I'm scared to do his hair. Oh wait, shit.
It's not even real. I wonder. Oh, you did it. Oh, you're missing ears before.
All you gotta do is hair though, but I don't know how to do that.
Wow.
He has like a fro hat.
Oh my god. That's like Jimmy Neutron.
Jimmy is sideburns.
It does look like him. You could so be a cartoonist. I want that picture. It looks like a... I want it. It looks like his head is like...
Yeah, that's like you totally know that was there too. Look at it. Look at it.
I'll put that picture next to it.
Oh, hold on. Let me get back to it.
Oh no, he blew away with the wind.
The vampires at dark run away. That's so mean, but it's true.
Okay, I know.
I can't even
You gotta do it.
Him in real life?
Him in cartoon mode.
Him in cartoon mode.
What does that say? He's dead. Okay. He's dead.